I'm Jeff with XDP, and we're here with Delton from BD Power. We're going to talk about the BD Power remanufactured common rail injectors. Delton, tell us a little bit about what we have here.
So this is our stock replacement reman injector for the Dodge 5.9 application.
For those shopping for a new set of injectors or a replacement injector for their truck, they're going to see words like remanufactured or new. Can you tell me what this is and what BD does to their injectors?
That's a good question. So we actually remanufacture these injectors in-house using only Bosch components internally, and then we balance them to Bosch specs. So this unit is as close to the OE Bosch specs as possible.
So Delton, tell me about what applications this injector is going to be best for.
So obviously we have all of our performance injectors, our performance plus injectors. This being a stock horsepower injector sold as a single injector is great for the customer that has a failing injector that only wants to replace one of them back to and keep it as a stock horsepower, or he can buy a set of 6 of them and keep stock horsepower as a set of 6.
So that wraps it up for the BD Power remanufactured common rail injector. We'd like to thank Delton for being here today, and to find out more about BD injectors for your truck, check out xdp.com.